How it's made. Graphic Design Edition. Note: copying other creators is only okay for learning purposes. Do not sell recreated work. Credit inspiration in your portfolio. Ever wondered how is the neon light effect made? I will do a quick look into creating lit neon bar. Depth/hiding. Liquid look. The neon effect can be created stacking many types of outer glow effect. Obligatory dark background is required. Spend time exploring the Liquify tool. It has various settings to work in your favor or against. For hiding and depth impression, an object or subject with a crisp outline is best. Doing this for blurry background subjects needs a lot of skill to make it look natural. If the poster is already unique/artistic, keep the typography clear and simple. Decide on the main attention-grabbing part and stick to it. Here it is: the neon effect and the subject.